I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare neon versus LED lighting. We will delve into the unique features of each technology, examining how they perform in key areas like energy consumption and overall lifespan. Our discussion will also cover important considerations such as initial cost, long-term durability, and their respective environmental footprints. By the end, you will have a clearer understanding of which lighting option is better for your specific needs. Neon lighting provides that iconic, warm glow, often associated with a classic, artistic feel. Each sign is a unique piece, meticulously hand-bent from glass tubing by skilled artisans. However, this traditional charm comes with higher energy demands. Neon lights consume significantly more electricity, sometimes requiring up to 15,000 volts for larger displays. While durable with proper maintenance, their lifespan typically ranges from 8 to 15 years. In contrast, LED lighting represents modern efficiency, consuming up to 80% less power than traditional neon. This translates to substantial energy savings over time. LEDs also offer an impressive lifespan, often shining brightly for 50,000 to 100,000 hours. They are incredibly durable, lightweight, and provide a vast array of color choices. Furthermore, LEDs are safer, emitting very little heat, and containing no toxic materials like mercury. So, which is better? For long-term value, LEDs generally win with lower operating costs and superior durability. A 1-foot LED tube can consume as little as 1.2 watts per hour, compared to 20 watts for neon. However, neon's unique, handcrafted aesthetic and warm glow are unmatched for specific artistic or nostalgic ambiances. Consider LEDs for modern, versatile, and energy-efficient solutions, but choose neon when that classic, artistic character is paramount.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.